Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully you are doing good. Here we comes with another lecture of our Noorani Qaida series, and today we will discuss the Tanween. So first of all, what is Tanween? The letter which comes with do zabar, do zir or do pesh. It is called Tanween. As like we learned in the previous lectures, this is called zabar. Okay. The single bar above the letter, it is called zabar. Now in this lesson we will discuss the double zabar. Like the letter comes with two bars above the letter and it is called do zabar or two zabars. So let's start this lesson. Like a zabar has a specific sound of a, and this tanween do zabar got a sound of an. At the end we have to say an. This is ba do zabar ban. The next one ta do zabar tan. This sound is mandatory, where whenever I read it I used to say it like ta do zabar tan. It's not tan. You have to whisper it, or somewhat I don't say what is this sound actually, but you have to this sound comes from your nose actually. Some part of it comes from your nose, like tan, and a little bit from your mouth. So with practice it will get better, inshallah. So this is ta do zabar tan. Moving forward, fa do zabar than. Fa do zabar than. Moving forward, Jim do zabar jan. Jim do zabar jan. Ha do zabar han. Ha do zabar han. Kha do zabar khan. Kha do zabar khan. Sorry. Dal do zabar dan. Dal do zabar dan. Dal do zabar dan. Dal do zabar dan. Ra do zabar ran. Ra do zabar ran. Za do zabar zan. Za do zabar zan. Sin do zabar san. Sin do zabar san. Shin do zabar shan. Shin do zabar shan. Sad do zabar san. Sad do zabar san. Dwa do zabar dan. Dwa do zabar dan. You have to practice with me while watching this video. Ta do zabar tan. Ta do zabar tan. Za do zabar zan. Za do zabar zan. And if you find some letter difficult, you always have option to pause the video and you can rewind the video and have a look at that later again and practice. Moving forward, عين دو زبر عن عين دو زبر عن غين دو زبر غن غين دو زبر غن فا دو زبر فن فا دو زبر فن قاف دو زبر قن قاف دو زبر قن. This one, a softer one. काफ दो ज़बर कन काफ दो ज़बर कन लाम दो ज़बर लन लाम दो ज़बर लन मीम दो ज़बर मन मीम दो ज़बर मन नून दो ज़बर नन नून दो ज़बर नन वाव दो ज़बर वन वाव दो ज़बर वन हा दो ज़बर हन हा दो ज़बर हन. Hamza got both of two of these shapes. Hamza do ज़बर अन या दो ज़बर यन. Now these important words, they got both the same sound like ta and twa, but the ta got sound ta do ज़बर tan, but twa has a little heavier sound twa do ज़बर twan. These three, the first one is a softer tha do ज़बर than. The middle one, this one, seen do ज़बर san. This one a little heavier, صاد do ज़बर صن. These two, one is ha and the other one is ha. So the first one is ha do ज़बर han. The next one ha do ज़बर han. These three, these four, the tricky ones. Dal do ज़बर dhan. This one za do ज़बर zan. Dwa do ज़बर don. Va do ज़बर van. Ain do ज़बर an. Hamza do ज़बर an. Qaf do ज़बर qan. Kaf do ज़बर kan. Now we will practice all the stuff we learned so far. Like if I point out this one, this got a single zabar and double zabar both. And if I point out this one, this got a zabar and a zair and do zabar. So we will practice it one by one. Hamza zabar a, ba zabar ba, aba, dalo zabar dan, abadan. Ba zabar ba, ta zabar ta, batwa. Ra do zabar ran, batwaran. Twa zabar twa, ba zabar ba, twaba. Qaf do zabar qan, twabaqan. Next one. Kaf zabar ka, dal zer di, kazi, bado zabar ban, kazi ban. Tha zabar tha, mim zabar ma, thama, na noon do zabar nan, thamanan. صاد زبر صا عين زير عي صعي قاف دو زبر قن صعيقا سين زبر سا فا زبر فا صفا ها دو زبر هن صفهن قاف زبر قا صاد زبر صا قصا صاد دو زبر صن قصصا همزة زبر آ سين زير سي أسي فا دو زبر فن أسيفا عين زير عي نون زبر نا عينا با دو زبر بن عنبا عين پیش عو را پیش رو عرو با دو زبر بن عروبا لام زبر لا عين زير عي لاعي با دو زبر بن لاعبا. So the last line, this one I left it for your practice, so give it a practice, and if you find any difficulty you can always contact on the contact number or email given below. So hopefully you got this, you will practice it, and inshallah you will get this lesson. So at the end, if you don't subscribe our channel, subscribe to it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of new videos. Okay, stay blessed, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.